In this video, we are going to write our first test case, which we will execute in parallel later. Let me start creation of our test case. We're using Jasmine framework for organizing our scripts. Let me put describe, which will describe our test case. I'm going to put demo.g.com landing page, title validation, for example, and let me write our first step. Let me put description. Let's put navigate to URL and let me write method which will perform browser dot URL. We're using WebDriver protocol here, which will be our URL. We basically open our website under test. It's our website. Let me basically copy our URL. Okay, this is our test URL. Let me correct this one. Okay, semicolon. Next, I'm going to get our URL, get title, and for this purpose I'm going to use title equal browser dot get title method, which basically take text from title in our website. Next step, I am going to validate our title. And I am going to use Jasmine assertion or matcher. Title to be, and we need to set title value, which we can get from let me get it from here, and let me search it. It should be in header. I'm looking for title. Let me just search it. Title, and I do not see it for now, but oh yeah, it's here. here title. Let me copy it. Now let me paste it here, and if our title match, we will pass our script. But as you see, we have assigned the title value in different methods. We need to share property between methods, and let me create title variables so that it will be shared everywhere. Between our methods, and yeah, we need to run our script, which will be run using this command. I have more details in my tutorial for beginners with WebdriverIO and JavaScript, which you can find on Udemy. This is my tutorial. It includes a lot of information, how you can set up frameworks from scratch, or you can improve your existing framework, or you can use this tutorial even if you're experienced with Selenium WebDriver, but you wanna move, or your project requires you to move to different framework. Let me show you a little bit package, the WebdriverIO config file, which is main file for us. And as you see, we run each and every script inside specs folder. Okay, let me run it. We run using Node.js, and if you see, we have it pass. I'm going to add one more step. Here I wanna click accounts link, and to do this one I need to create one more step, and this basically I need to get element, and I need to click this element using WebdriverIO method. How to get this element? Basically, to do this, I wanna take this accounts text from a link attribute. In WebdriverIO, I can just simply say a equal accounts, and it will click link which has accounts text. Let me run it and we can check that it works. Okay, now we're able to run our script. We have just one instance up and running, but goal of our tutorial to run in parallel, which we will do in next video.